know ladies because siyanithanda relaxana hlisana umoya sonlobola nathi ngeenkomo eziyi-60 bese sinipha umhlaba sinipha amabhizinisi and everything exactly like Lazarus D2 uZoleka. So don't worry ladies and gentlemen, uZoleka uvele walotsholwa uLazarus bamlobola ngeenkomo eziyi-60 babese bamupha umhlaba ngaphezulu, and not just umhlaba, a family farm. And I want us to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get into it. Well, kushuthi udaba uNomfundiso is not happy ngesigqibo esithathwe utata kaSigqibo. And into eyenzekile laphayana utata kaSigqibo so uyahamba uyolobola. Ulobola abani? Ulobola uZoleka. And when they got there, utata kaSigqibo shocked everyone. Thatha inkomo eziwu-60 owathi Zoleka ngiyakulobola ngale inkomo eziwu-60. After mlobola inkomo eziyi-60 wabese wathi this is a family farm. In fact, even stated with this is a Ngcukalana family farm. So le farm lena ke manje ngiyayithatha nginikeza umndeni wakho, meaning that Ngcukalana family farm izothathwa nawe ihanjiswa with the Begicha family. Angiyazi lento benzo lo yaba baloyana. Look, I know that we're supposed to be hating on Nomfundiso and her son, but no man, you cannot take a family asset and uzoyasho ukuthi oyitata notata omkhulu balapha kwaNgcukalana bebesebenzisa le farm le, but he's taking it unikisa ngayo. Man lo yaba bayicabanga lento le. Look, I understand Zoleka's value, I understand ukuthi she's that woman, but you cannot give her a family farm. Even nambe uNomfundiso bengeze ngivume yonke lento leyo. So nje utata uNgcukalana amazi ukuthi bedaweni, but then wenzekile. Now le oyibona on the screen right now is Nomfundiso's face after receiving the news, and we can tell ukuthi akayithandisisi nakancane yonke lento eyenzakalayo. So I think this is where the division between uNgcukalana is going to start, because Ngcukalana, it does not back down from a decision that he has taken, and I think ukuthi bazoclasha kabuhlungu noNomfundiso, and their clash is going to result in them fighting now, like fighting for real, because we all know that in this season it's gonna be uSigqibo against uAzande and uNomfundiso against utata kaSigqibo. So izoshuba nje kanjalo, and this is the beginning of everything. I am telling you right now, uzoyibona. So guys, comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this topic, and if you enjoyed the content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and also share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's catch again on the next one.